redeem Visa gift card in Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to redeem your Visa gift card in your Fortnite account. So first of all, you need to open your Epic Game Store, and once you're there, you need to simply search for Fortnite game. As you can see, the Fortnite game is free of cost in the Epic Game Launcher. And in order to redeem your Visa gift card, you need to click on the profile icon from the top right, and from there you need to click on redeem code. And here you need to simply enter your Visa gift card number. Just paste your Visa gift card code right here, and after that just click on redeem, and your Visa gift card balance will be added in your Epic Game Store launcher. And once the amount has been added in your account, and then you will be able to redeem your Visa gift card in order to make any in-app purchase in your Fortnite game or any other game that you are playing through your Epic Game Launcher. So this is basically how you will be able to redeem your Visa gift card in your Fortnite. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.